Okay, this is the Toshiba EM131A5C microwave. If you're looking at this video, you're probably wondering what all the hype is about because this microwave is so popular. Toshiba, this is the black 1.2 cubic foot. It's a little bigger than the last microwave that we had. My wife and I had it was like over a decade old GE, and it had started to cook unevenly, and that's what this thing has taken care of. It's brand spanking new. We've had it for about a month, and one of the things that I love most about it is it cooks things evenly. I think that's the only thing that I really care about, to be honest with you. Because when it comes to all this stuff, I just hit the 30-second start button, honestly. One of the reasons that I got it was for the sensor that's inside to detect the moisture. I'm assuming that has something to do with how evenly it cooks. This is the black, and if you notice, it's kind of like this kind of chromed out black, so it's not like black. There's some questions about the light. Yes, the light turns on when you open it, and the light does turn on when you cook something. The door noise, that's the noise. Yeah, I guess it's loud, but depending how big or small your place is, that's probably gonna be a different thing. And no, it does not talk to you. It just cooks really good food evenly. So this is Toshiba EM131A5C. If you've heard about it, check it out. I think you won't be disappointed.